test format of IELTS listening. If you are taking IELTS academic or general training, this format and scoring is same for all. There are 4 sections with 10 questions in each section. It means there are total 40 questions in listening section and duration is 30 minutes. 1 mark is given for each correct answer. Take care when writing answers on answer sheet. Overspelling and grammar decrease your band score. The accents used in recording are British, Australian, New Zealand, American, and Canadian. The first 2 sections based on everyday social contexts and last 2 sections deals with educational and training contexts. In section 1, there is conversion between two speakers. Here, a conversion may about travel agreements. In section 2, there is dramatic monologue. Here, monologue means a long speech by one actor in a film or play. For example, a speech about local facilities. In section 3, there is conversion between two speakers. For example, conversion between two university students discussing an assignment or guided by a tutor or university tutor. And in last section, section 4, there is dramatic monologue on an academic subject. Example, university lecture. This section is very tough as compared to above 3. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.